power of heat. What do we need? Let's get started. Pour 25 milliliters of cold water into the first cup. Ask an adult to pour 25 milliliters of hot water, not boiled water, into the second cup. Put 2 drops of any color in each cup. Did you notice that the color spreads faster in the cup containing the hot water?
Yay!
Scientific explanation. Hot water molecules have more energy than the molecules of the cold one. This makes it easier and faster for the color to spread in the hot water.